Welcome everybody to another Transformer. Got Hound. Started off as an army Jeep. I used to have like a spare tire back there, but I've long since lost it. And I'm going to attempt to transform this one. This is actually one of the more complicated transformations, I think. Let's see, you got to stretch him out a little bit. Flip that and his head pops up. Nope, let's see. Roll these back. Hang on. Just flip those over. Then roll those back. And his arms. Really? His arms don't. That's all his arms? Wow. I thought his arms were folded in there. Okay. Then, let's see. Pop that down to make his feet. Surely there's got to be more to his arms than that. I guess not. His arm, yeah, they did not add any extra. Did they slide forward or anything? No, that is it. Wow. Okay. Sort of the opposite of Huffer yesterday. Well, I guess that doesn't look too. As far as play value, the arms are sort of useless, but it doesn't look bad in presentation. Real rubber on the wheels. That's cool. Okay. Windshield. Like that flips down. Like I said, I do like the automatic action of his head popping up when you move his torso down. And also thermal sticker. That one appears to be working a little bit better. It actually went through the colors pretty quickly. It was supposed to fade to black, and it will eventually because it was there a minute ago. But anyway, that's Hound. I wonder if I can get him back into form now. Okay, yeah, okay. His arms did pop out a little bit when you. Oh, that was all part of the function of bending that forward. His arms popped out. No, just his head. Bend it over, his head pops up. Like I said, that's a nice function feature. You guys roll around there, then feet back up, move that into place, seats down, head down, and back to Jeep form. Yeah, that's not too bad. I just sort of. It's been so long since I forgot how short his arms were, which I don't guess so. Okay. Oh, I see what it is. When you flip it back, the arm shoots out, but you do still have to manually put it in. Okay. But anyway, that's old Hound. I think he was a pretty major character in the cartoon from what I recall. So that, and but I think I liked him pretty good. I don't really, I don't remember. It's been so long I don't remember playing much with him. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.